Every now and again, if you're following me, you're going to see a video like this pop up in my feed. Now, today's video is all about a trading strategy technical analysis hack that I've been using for many years over my time in financial markets, trading, strategy design and technical analysis that I can bring to you. Now, today it's all about manipulating Bollinger Bands. Hello, I'm Stephen Ho, trader and founder of TheStopHunter. Now, as you'll see, there's not too much to this hack at all, really. It's quite simple, quite straightforward, but very effective if you apply it to any type of chart, really, and any time frame or any market. It's, I say, so simple, and technology, the charting packages these days allow you to do this change to the Bollinger Bands. You wouldn't have been able to do this maybe a few years ago, and it's not in the standard set of rules for Bollinger Bands, but I find it very useful for strategy design, and I'm hoping that you can maybe adopt it too and turn it into your own strategies. Again, let me know in the comments below what you found or what you could turn it into. So we're in TradingView, and I brought up a chart of WTI crude oil. It's a daily chart, and as you can see, I've put the standard Bollinger Bands on the chart. Now, this is where the fun begins. Now, as you can see from the charts, we just have our standard setup, and we can see that if we click on the settings, it's just the 20 length period with the 2 standard deviation. Now, to me, the Bollinger Band rules are a bit vague and quite difficult to translate, so I want to make it more objective and rather than subjective. And if we go back to the settings button, there's a clue in the bottom box there. See the offset function set to 0. Now, if we set that to say half the length of the Bollinger Band, 10, that's going to shift everything positively, and all of a sudden what's happened is it's created a breakout strategy for you, a more defined breakout strategy. Look at the points here, 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 and you could combine this with other indicators or other trend indicators to, like I say, create a type of breakout strategy approach, or even on the reverse way, when the price comes back into the bands, maybe you close out your breakout position. So that's really all there is to it. And again, mess around with the input lengths in the thing. You maybe want to say make it a much shorter one, with those 10 length moving average with 1 standard deviation with a 5 offset to give you a more dramatic, say, breakout look. Or maybe you want to really widen it for really slower trades. Maybe you want to change it to 2.33 standard deviations but keep the length shorter. It's going to widen it out and create a different breakout pattern. So really, that's the hack. That is it, really, and it works, I say, across most markets, time frames. But I would stress, back test the information. Don't just use this cold. Find out its strengths and weaknesses. Put together a proper trading plan before trying to use this hack. But like I said, clearly seen there, a simple breakout approach, making the Bollinger Bands much more objective than subjective. There you go, not much to it really. As I said, sometimes simplest is best, and now you know how to manipulate Bollinger Bands, slightly different to the standard rule set, but hopefully will give you a new insight into using them and come up with maybe some new strategy trading ideas around that. Please put your comments in below so we can get your feedback on what you think of today's video and whether you've got any other ideas and suggestions. I look forward to those. If you've liked today's video, please give us the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button to receive any further notification of content such as this in the near future. And all that's left for me to say is thanks for watching. Good luck with the trading, and I'll see you in the next video.